Hello guys, welcome back to another video today. Today I will be showing you how to build a BMI calculator. Let me show you what it looks like first. So we have our calculator right here, which will help us in case we need to convert from one unit to the next. And we just input in our weight and our height, and whatever score we get, whatever our result is, it will determine our height. So for mine, I got 21.6, so I'm in the normal weight range. And yeah, that's how this BMI calculator works. But I might as well test it out and let you guys see how it actually works. So I'm about 58.9 kilograms and 1.65 meters tall. So 21.63. That's my BMI, so I'm healthy for my weight and height. So yeah, let me show you how to build it. But before we start the video, make sure you go like and subscribe to the video if you haven't already. Let's try and hit 10 likes in this video if possible. So I would really appreciate it if you go do that right now. And let's get started. So first things first, I'll create a p tag which says all this red text. So I'll give it a class of paragraph. Whoa, I don't know why I did that. Let me class equals paragraph ID equals paragraph 1, and then I'll type don't know how to convert from one unit to the next, so 2, and then 2 BR tags. The next, here's a calculator to help you out. And then I'll create another p tag and give it a class of paragraph as well, so I can style them both simultaneously, and give this an ID of paragraph 2, and this will say keep in mind that 1 pound equals 0.45359237 kg. And now I can create a div, which I'll give it an ID of divs, because this will store 4 divs with the class of div, obviously, and then times 4. So I'll give the first div an ID of yellow div, and inside of it I'll create 2 span tags. So the second one will be yellow span 2. And this will say less than 18.5. And this will say yellow span 1. Underweight. And here's what it looks like right now. We have to replicate the same thing for the other 3 divs. So you can skip forward a little bit if you want to. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I suggest you do, because this might get repetitive and boring. Green span 1. Inside of it I'll say normal weight, and I just realized I misspelled mind. So now I'll create another div, another span, give it an ID of green span 2. This will say 18.5 to 25. Okay, now this is our orange div. I can't spell today. Orange div span ID equals orange span 1. This will be overweight. This one will say ID equals orange span 2. This will say what is it? 25 to 30. Is that right? Yeah, 25 to 30. And for obese, it's anything greater than 30, so I'll create an ID and give it an ID of red div. Create a span tag, give it an ID of red span 1. And then another span tag and give it an ID of red span 2. and this is anything greater than 30. Next, we'll create our calculator. Well, actually, we need to create a button within the div. So button, give an ID of calculate, and this will say calculate, and we have a button that says calculate right below obese. And then after that, I'll create the result div. So ID equals result. And then after that div, I'll actually make sure the result is outside of the div with the ID of divs, so it doesn't get styled along with the other ones. And then I'll create another div. Actually, we don't have to. I'm just going to go copy all of my calculator code, like my HTML calculator structure code, so which is all this. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this video already of me building the functional calculator. So you guys don't have to waste your time and watch me type all that code over again. I'll just paste it in here, and there we go. We have our calculator. If you guys haven't watched that already, you can go watch it in the description below. I have it linked in the description below. So yeah, let's see what else we have to do. That's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This video is just part 1. We'll do part 2 in the next one. We'll style our web page and add some functionality to it to make it work and look nicer, you know? And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I haven't been posting that often lately because I've been having a lot of school assignments to work on, but I promise I'll try to post every day if I can. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like and subscribe. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.